The search and rescue operation is ongoing, but what I can say is the ship is not overloaded. It has a maximum passenger capacity of 350, and the actual actual passengers on board as declared by the master is 332. The Coast Guard has immediately acted on it as soon as we received the distress call from the Sea Marshal on board. Lahat po ng search and rescue assets sa area ng Zamboanga and Basilan are involved. From the AFP, the Navy, the Maritime Police, the local government units, yung Provincial Disaster Risk Management Office ng Basilan at Zamboanga are also involved. The commercial shipping have also sent their ships. So lahat po doon ngayon ay tulong-tulong. It has become a whole of nation search and rescue operations. Nakafocus tayo ngayon again sa search and rescue dahil mas mahalaga higit sa lahat ang buhay ng tao.